patient, whip gon' walk the pavement. I got a heart that says something to keep my whips racing. I got that money on for real, never put a sale. I don't do this shit for nobody, bitch, I tie myself. I step around with cleats on me like
Hey, what's good, YouTube, man? We about to close this one out. I know this is part 2. I didn't shoot an intro or outro, so I'm shooting it now, man. Let's get ready for this content. It is banger, North Carolina. We putting it on. Hopefully y'all love this video. Hopefully y'all enjoy this video. It's gonna be some cars sliding. It's gonna be some people doing some bumper taps. It's gonna be some door taps. It's gonna be a few wall taps, to be honest. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Please hit that subscribe button. You're not watching. I stay joshing. I love y'all. Let's go. Peace.
Are you alive? Nigga, I ain't never been a yes man. Or you gonna die. You can get murdered on webcam. I'm good time. Or spread through a handband. You might look alive. That's cause you don't really know you a dead man. This is God's plan, so don't stop me. I've been here from Illuminati. Even scriptures written on my body. Me and Satan pull up in a red Ferrari. Don't be trying to put your fucking arm around me. 44 shots traumatizing from the 45. Hit 44 more kamikaze. Then you kamikaze just for everybody. Mama poppy. This is brother cousin. I'm blind. This is not Versace. This is not Versace. This is Hiroshima. This is Nagasaki. I'm a hot Magani. Fucking human Anunnaki. Plenty hammers when I'm riding shot. You better use your manners when you talk about me. It's too hard to find me. I'm a killer nigga selling another leftover. Trying to niggas to get in the strap door. Spend a bitch you wanna give me best off. Remember some of that I work next door. Got your crib that's what clean out your shit and then put all of your fucking money in the escrow. What you thinking? I'm not the one that you play with. I think they really was thinking I was the next door. You thought wrong or you all gone. I just might bring back Don Juan. I just might bring back Sean. Tell me Diddy that I want one. I'ma beat it down with a do-rag. Pussy ate out, this a popcorn. If I fuck with you, that's too bad. Hope you played out like the nonstop. Ain't no bygones, be bygones. I should run the niggas when I buy guns. Hope you get stressed like nylon. This is my band, I'm Dylan. All I wanna do is just drop bombs. Take a cheerleader niggas with the pom-pom. Watch her make a bitch got sex on. Every time I hit it, she be like, wagwan. Pick the pepper, pick the pepper, and I pick the pressure. Pick a fighter, pick the side, I put you in a stretcher. Pick the pepper, pick the banana, put it together, start popping at the people. They bout to meet the Beretta, better meet the metal. I'ma need it, the heat of the measure. Put you deep and it was deeper to see in the desert. Even when I'm creeping like 50 feet of the jet, niggas speed and hit the pedal. I put my feet in the metal, goddamn. 508 all on my side. They gon' ride, they gon' ride. Nigga, this a homicide. Oh my god, oh my god. I said I was overtired. Bitch, I lied, bitch, I lied. I ain't got no fucking job. It's my life. All of y'all wish you were watching. All y'all my kids in the costume. I take my gun to the country. You just sit down like your cousin. Line in the sense of time in your hands. I think I need to find you a hobby. I got a back and I hold your hand. I think I'm about to catch you. Tell all my teachers that I said I'm back on my G-shit. And I'm coming back to get even. I went on tour and got paid. Now I'm back in the region. I lit off this back in no reason. We went out with this and greatness. I'm practically preaching. And this is the passion of Jesus. And all you basic motherfuckers are lacking achievement. And I just been laughing and geeking. Bad to business. I got mad intentions. I ain't perfect. I done made some bad decisions. But it's competition. I'm a savage when they think I had intentions. I'm a mathematician. I don't see you niggas. I've been lacking vision. You been acting different. I've been acting distant. I'ma do some shit to bring me mad attention. You gon' do some shit to send me back to prison. This is uncomfortable. You just keep putting your feet in the fire. I think my thug got a crush on you. Boy, you about to meet your secret admirer. And you do shit you don't wanna do. I did that shit just to keep me inspired. I used to hit it and leave when I wanted to. Now I hit it and be sleeping inside her. Roll up on her when I put up on her. Put that motherfucking smoke up on her with the holy water. Jordan Lucas on my holder, leave the motor running. Made too many niggas know about it, but I thought about it. Bring about it to the load about it. In the morning, but I gotta show them what it's all about it. I'ma call about it. I ain't that nigga you can talk about. You better calm it down. I'm trying to give you the run around. I'ma shut him down, lock down. Wait, 508 all on my side. They gon' ride, they gon' ride. And then it's on the side. Oh my god, oh my god. I said I was overtired. Bitch, I lied, bitch, I lied. I ain't got no fucking job. This my life. This is God's plan. Someone stop me. I was saying from Illuminati. Even scriptures written on my body. Me and Satan pull up in a red Bugatti. They be trying to put your fucking arm around me. Bring the drama, it ain't hard to find me. It's a lucid dream, it's a out of body. UFO flying while I'm riding shotty. I'm a ninja, pull up on the Kawasaki. 187 on the top behind me. This is Hiroshima, this is Nagasaki. I'm a hot Magani in a Maserati. Goddamn, they call me Poppy. Plenty hammers when I'm riding shotty. Better use your manners when you talk about me. It ain't hard to find me, motherfucker. My name, Jordan.
I know it's cold with me. Straight from the money, got me the plug, now I be rolling with me. You think you the shit, you think you a bitch, now go ahead and call the police. These niggas a trip, your homies a snitch, trying to be having a week. Ahead of time, you talk, I know you don't like me, but fuck it, I'm over the beat. Told him we could measurements. ADHD is a social experiment. Who pay attention the most when they're hearing it? You cannot stop it, there's no one that's sharing it. This is my moment and no one is sharing it. Nigga, I'm just getting started. I hit on my targets, I promise I'm there in front. If I do not win a Grammy this year, then I blow that bitch up and then everyone dying. I think all my shit is hot. If everyone think that it's not, then everyone lying. I hope my shit doesn't flop, cause I put a gun in your head and the gear will buy it. Digging a hole, you get buried inside. Or you get buried in silence. The day that I die, get buried in diamonds. I'm killing you niggas, you barely surviving. I think I'm so high, I'm Marion Pilot. I'm Area 51 alien island. My UFO flying is scary and violent. I shut down the planet, you hearing the sirens. I'm very excited and you shouldn't bother. Jordan got too many problems. I told her to come down with the peace up as long as it's you and your mama. I ain't got no patience, I let it get dirty. You fucking, I'm cool with the drama. When niggas be hating, I tell them no worries. My nigga, I'm cool, I'm retired. I don't wear Prada, just wear me a white tee. I bust on my jealous, I still wear the Nikes. I roll with some hitters, I know you don't like me. I shit on you niggas, not bring me some hype. You think I'm a killer, well maybe I might be. I ain't got no feelings, I dare you to fight me. I sleep with a limp, but I'm really a writer. You pussy and money, it really excites me. I'm ready, don't try me to fight. Fuck what you drink, thinking I want me, I think you a bitch. You think I'm corny, I think I'm a shit. When she get horny, she think of my dick. When I was broke, I would think like I'm rich till I'm fucked up my credit. And hit me a lick, then I got me some money to get me a crib and it blew it on bitches from plenty of fish. Fuck was I doing? I'm going back to the streets. If Freddie and Jason had babies, my nigga, I promise, and that would be me. Niggas all in my honey and acting all funny. I think I'm attracted to bees. They tell me that I changed. I look in the mirror like, what the fuck happened to me? Ever since I came up, these niggas been sewing their feelings. They counting my pockets. I know that it's killing. Don't tell me you proud and you know that you jealous. The money keep piling. I know that you smelling. You think you entitled. I'm feeling. I'm thinking. I hope that you swallowing. That's how I'm feeling. Put that in the Bible. Don't call me your family. You know you're my rival. I do what I got. I turn off the TV if I'm in the media. Really nobody wanna see me. A nigga here. I'm like a sickle cell anemia. I really mean it, but I'm about to suck a nigga breathing. If I think it's feeling, I go to hell for the demon. If I think I mean it, never beat a nigga with a demon. Till I'm from the sticky seven second punch. When I'm sleeping, you couldn't see me, but I had to hit him like a meteor. I'm never giddy. Look at the truck and I'm busting up for the second. I fell in love with the gun and I got 100 of running like everybody. Don't bust on put you in your stomach. I got a truck and I'm running. You better come with nothing. I'm not the one to be fucking. I'm not the one that you think you can do whatever you want to. It's gonna be the trash. Enemies know it's something. I'm not the trigger no more. When you be sipping, you know you know you be calling it somebody that I never last to the EMT. Nigga on the gun like TNT, but I roll up on a nigga for the GMC. Get the clapping on him in a bit of END. Call a coke and a letter when I just take keys. Now I got the biggest EPMD. Could've walked in my shoes with a shoe stampede. Can't walk this way, I bring EMC. Back in the mail, I sit it down and it's cracking the scale. Hit it from the kitchen, nigga, I was flipping like a spatula down. Pretty Ricky with them bitches when I'm hitting long as a dread on spectacular hair. Hair shit like shit, white whip, open up and look like a pack of the mail. Back in Rodeo, fucking up the chicken, chucking up the set and I'm back up the layover. Pay over way over niggas no summer, but a nigga stay over, nigga. You bitches whipping to the day, day. Ain't loaded up the same way, shade sway, white person screaming out, gang, gang. Started kick, kick, little Luke, KKK. I had a little bit, he got my bass gun like, but it ain't dang, dang. Got a main dang, hard to mine, that's my main thing. Got a rollie, watch her name Jane, but she play, so we call her plain Jane. Over her, I let it bang, bang, like the fingers pressing on the game. Make me sitting in the chain gang, nigga, please. I got whole nigga cheese, yeah, I got whole nigga knees. Can't let a flow nigga roll out, put a hole in shit, and then let the whole nigga leave, man. Y'all niggas know a nigga T, all my niggas got phones in the all for the free, all for the fee. For nigga throw couple G's, get a little nigga smoke for the free, man. 1-5 for show, nigga, that's how I do. I was chosen with those melodies, niggas hate, never going, never those enemies, and the snakes keep blowing, never those in the breeze. I'm under no good, my boys in the hood, with no young Jeezy and no Jody Breeze, I can blow 40 G's, go back, hit a fall, looking like the old dirty beef from the Wu-Tang, nigga. I can say nothing on the motherfucking track, so go back, clap like Wu-Tang, nigga, do your thing, nigga, hopping in the move, saying hotter than a blue flame, lit up in the full tank, nigga, man, niggas better hide, niggas what, niggas black, niggas at the bottom of the food chain, nigga, niggas look like can't cool hang, nigga, can't cool bang, but you can't move dang, with you, see a little bad bitch walking out the block, bitch looking at me.
goes to the tank too. You on black people time with water, god damn.
He was not.
That's why y'all never in the movie.
Shush. Bro, there was a man in front of me.
That's why y'all never in the movie.
There was a man in front of me.
A white person would have had it here already.
Hey.
Hey, it's kinda hard to keep up, moving all around the world. It's kinda hard to stay focused, I'm seeing different girls. She acting like she don't notice, I'm trying to get to her. Hey, tell her that I'm feeling her, don't let her go, I'm missing her. No, it ain't no Chelsea, I wanna get the kissing her. Let me chill and back it up before I get my feelings hurt. Be too caught up in my thoughts, I don't know why I'm texting her. If you want, then we can box, if you want, get it.